This isn't my side.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
No, it doesn't matter. It's fine.
It does, though.
No, it doesn't.
Years.
It's okay.
Switch me sides. This is right. This is the side I always sit on.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, I sat on his head.
Now, I also feel like we're missing a person here and a person here because of this wide shot. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Welcome to our couch, everybody. This is Happy Turkey Day. This is going to be a very, very casual
I just ran up.
unboxing video of the Axial Bomber. We've actually had it for a little while, and it's just now like that season for crawling, at least in our opinions. I know you can crawl all year long, but you can only fly for really good times of the year, like, you know, no wind days, nice warm days, and now we're getting into cold, crappy weather, which means crawlers and trucks and things, which is perfect. It's seasonal. And today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you watching. Who out there is sitting home depressed by yourself this Thanksgiving in 2020? We are, so we thought we'd just invite everybody in with us and have some fun and unbox this truck, because why not?
I don't even know
been a
what
rough
to
year.
say in this video.
Abby even told me at the beginning of this video, before the camera was even on, she said I look like a mess. I think that just is a good... I got my Bob's Burgers shirt on
I got
Thanksgiving.
horizontal stripes that make you look wider for Thanksgiving.
It's a wide angle lens. And my AMA hat, nothing matches or anything. I don't care. It is just that kind of year, and it doesn't really matter. As long as you're still alive and fighting for some happiness, then that's what it's all about.
I don't like this setup.
We'll keep switching the camera around until it makes us happy. So today we're going to unbox the Axial Bomber. We just wanted to, again, this is super casual if you haven't been able to tell already by the vibe of the intro. And yeah, we really like Axial trucks. We don't own them all, but we own quite a few. And I don't know if we've ever gotten rid of an Axial that we've ever had. Have we?
I don't know. You just wear your hat like this.
Well, according to Abby, all it takes for some happiness in the year of 2020 is to adjust your camera angle. So, to those of you out there that are not feeling the happiness right now, just go adjust your camera angle and you'll be happy.
Or pet your dog or your cat.
Popeye is awesome. You know what? We've already opened this. I forgot. But we didn't actually take it out of the box.
I haven't seen
I
it.
cut the seal, I think.
I haven't
No,
seen
you're right. I just cut it on one side. I must have started opening it.
And I was like, no!
And yeah, probably so. We should unbox this. We always unbox our Axials because they're just really awesome vehicles. Now we
I
have,
see some lights on
there's the
box.
traditional Bomber one, and then there's also the Savvy, the Fox Savvy, and we got the Fox Savvy.
Nice.
Yeah.
You keep missing.
They're camo, okay? Anything green is camo. How about you hold the bottom and I hold the top? Oh.
Need a better table down here.
Yeah, okay. That's a, new setup. This looks good. This looks way better in person than I was expecting it to. Wow.
Well, Popeye's there, so we can put the box right here.
Okay.
And they can look at the box.
Yeah, because there's enough room for the box and we need another box over there by you.
Well, Popeye's there. Oh,
Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. This is sweet. So this kind of is reminding me of a mix between my Wraith and my new Wraith. So the old Wraith, the original Wraith, and the Wraith 1.9. Does it not make you think of that?
Yes.
That's what I'm getting the vibe. And someone out there is going to say, no, Nate, it's supposed to be this. I don't care. That's what I think when I see it. Feels good to pull those off, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
One of my favorite things about the Wraith 1.9, which is actually, I think, still my favorite crawler, because it's kind of scale and a little bit smaller, is the fact that you have these body clips on the hood, and then the hood raises, and that's where the battery goes. So I'm pretty sure that's the same setup here. But oh, look at that. That's a very cool battery. I have never seen this. I'll have to show you guys a closer shot.
We're gonna have to get some B-roll.
Yeah, we'll do some B-roll shots. So this hood raises up, and then you've got this little strap in there. That is really weird. It's not rubber, but it's a very, very pliable plastic, very bendy. That is really cool. That's a different kind of battery tray system. And I love that it's mounted on the front of the vehicle, because when you're climbing, the more weight you have in the front, the better off you are. If you put the weight in the back, you can pop those front wheels up and not climb as well.
It's got a cool looking light bar right there in the front.
Yeah, and
little
two spotter
headlights.
lights.
Yeah.
So those are going to shine down on your tires while you're crawling. I love the angle of them.
And it's all spectrumed out on the inside.
That Fox, guys, that Savvy Fox, wow.
So where's my motor? Or your motor?
Yeah,
You're probably
I'm going to
claiming
claim this
you
one.
always claim this.
You get the bashers, I get the crawlers, except you're Ford and you've got some other good crawlers too. The motor is mounted in the center, down near the bottom, behind the plate. You really can't see it with the way this is set up right now. It looks like we might have, yeah, we do have some rear lights mounted in here too.
Ooh,
So,
I like that.
Axial is getting
Room
better
for
on their
more, too.
ready-to-run vehicles to mount it up with some lights. The Bomber has been a very successful vehicle from what I can tell, and we are just now getting our very first one. So I'm crazy excited to run this. This will be able to handle snow, mud, because of the wide stance. This is like, it's not necessarily a scale crawler, you know, that you go trailing with, like my Wraith 1.9. Like that one, I consider much more scale. This is kind of like a basher crawler. We're going to, almost like a rock racer crawler. We're going to be able to go out and have a little bit more fun, a little faster pace with this, hit some bigger obstacles with this vehicle. There's just a ton of clearance. Those huge tires are very knobby, very soft. Yeah, Axial.
Looks good.
Axials is so awesome. They're so good. I hope they have something to hit the Black Friday sale, which by the time this video releases, there very well may be a Black Friday sale. If you're still watching this video, if you're committed, watch all the way through. But if you're like, okay, I'm done with Sailors, now's the time to click away. We've got if there's a sale going on, it'll be linked in the description box below. What better time to check out an Axial sale or other RC vehicles? So if there's a huge sale going on, we'll have a link below. This is exciting. Here, you check it out. You hold it. You haven't even touched it yet. I'm hogging that thing. So what do you like more? Do you like the Fox more or the Bomber? The links are plastic.
Are you talking about the two different body styles?
Yeah. There's a Bomber. Like, have you even seen it? You know, we got the Fox, obviously, and then the blue Bomber.
I mean, I always like the blue.
I like the blue too, but we don't really have a lot of the Fox
No, it's
vehicles.
pretty cool.
Like Losi does some Fox stuff,
It's
so
cool.
I like the variety.
I like the blue shocks on the Bomber too. Look pretty cool.
It's always like the grass is greener, right?
It always
In other words, you just buy both.
I'll take the blue one.
For vehicles that you really love, who out there is guilty of buying both collars? Anybody? I know.
Can you see those two Losi's right there?
No, we don't talk about that. They were on sale Black Friday a previous year. Last
Yeah,
year?
those are the older versions.
Yeah, and we've got a couple others. I think we have duplicates of,
We
our
got
Red Cats.
Symptoms, we got Red Cats.
We each have a Red Cat too. We got the
It's
Scout
a common
too.
thing in our household.
We don't really like to admit that it happens, but
We don't share well.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Take your truck, I'll get the blue one.
I do like the Fox a lot.
It's neat. It's a neat brand.
The goal in today's video was just to jump in front of the camera on Thanksgiving. We know a lot of people might be sitting home and just maybe this might be the first time you're ever doing Thanksgiving by yourself or a limited crowd of people.
DX3. Oh, what is that? Oh, this is cool! You see that?
I know what that is.
One-handed.
Why are they just not doing it on this radio though? Like just this setup.
I still feel like, okay, you
So-
have to kind of adjust how I hold it a little bit.
But you have pretty small hands.
I have pretty small hands.
That's amazing. Is that something you can buy separately? So for me, I have really big hands. I've always been able to reach my thumb up here and steer with one hand, but it's a stretch. But now that this little extender's on here, you can do that really easily.
That's genius. You know how
Wow.
annoying it is if you don't have a camera mount on your controller to film and drive?
Yeah.
I don't do it
A person
hardly
could do
ever. He
this. A
doesn't.
person could have their own YouTube channel
Yep.
just with that setup right there.
Yep, that's
just like
that's really nice.
that. Huh. So we have telemetry on this radio, so we know when our battery's
Mm-hmm.
dead and everything.
I mean, the Bomber's been out for a while,
I know.
and we've opened newer things than this, and we have not seen that thumb attachment on it.
I wonder if it was
Wow.
well received or not, because I like it. But, I mean, I could see
I like it.
people in the hobby always hate change, no matter what. Whether it's for the good or the bad.
like it.
There's always somebody that hates change. I like that. Good on you guys for doing that. I'd like to see probably all crawlers do that.
Yeah, I wonder if you can buy that as an attachment and
That's what I was
put it
wondering,
onto
too.
everything.
I don't know, I'd say the wheel, the whole wheel, has got to be one solid piece.
I like it.
I do too. It's definitely part of this wheel. You'd have to pop this cap off, take the screw off, and get a different wheel if you didn't like that.
I like it, and that made me happy on Thanksgiving, so.
Yeah. Very cool. Unboxings are fun. We get to hang out and be all super casual. You guys get to see Popeye a little bit more often.
Yeah.
But, you
It's been a
know,
while since we've done the unboxing.
yeah, nothing really holds up to a running video. So I'll be excited to take this out. Abby and I are kind of exploring our area and finding new crawling spots and stuff. So maybe we'll find a trail or a really good competitive style of spot that we can take this over with rocks and stuff, because I think that's what this deserves. I'm really excited to see those lights. So maybe we'll go out like late. So easy to get out in the dark now because it gets dark at 5 p.m. So maybe we'll go out when it's almost dark and run this and really get those lights shining. We could do like a day run, a night run with this. So if you're new to the channel, again, happy Thanksgiving, but really to everyone that's subscribed and has been watching us for a while. We try to always get a Thanksgiving video out there just to say hey to you guys. Maybe you're sitting home bored or whatever, or you're just fat and happy on your turkey that you got to eat. That's always good too.
Yeah.
And just checking out a little RC Sailor action while you're at it. We've got more videos, tons and tons of videos on the channel if you're still bored after watching this one. And if you're new, hey, subscribe. We have a good time. It's fun. For all the good in our lives, all the people that bring us up, we want to say thank you. And a lot of you guys watching do that for us. Lately, I've relied on a lot of you guys to help bring me up. It's been such a rough year. And for you guys and all the other good in my life, I thank God.
And I think we've done this for a couple years, but in the comment section, tell us what you're thankful for. I always like reading those.
Me too.
Yeah.
It's a good day. We'll pin maybe one of our own. You can get on the Abby Twirls and tell everyone what you're thankful for in the comments.
Oh, I thought you were like post the video.
No,
like,
no.
oh, that's a little crazy, Nathan. That channel's dead.
You can leave a comment there.
Although it's still growing. I don't know what
It
to
is
do with
crazy,
that
the Abby
channel.
Twirls. Haven't posted a video forever and it's still getting subscribers. That's a crazy channel. But yeah, if you're interested in this, we'll have a link in the description box below as usual with all the other good stuff that we've talked about. And a massive, massive thank you, not only to God, but to our Patreon supporters, because without you guys, we would not be able to turn the camera on as often as we do. It'd probably be like once a week, if that, without our Patreon supporters. And we heard you loud and clear, we really did. A lot of you guys were super supportive of the idea of having more drones on the channel, so just to give you a little feedback so you know that didn't fall on deaf ears, so I can tell all of you at once, we fully intend to have, at the very least, a few more drones on the channel in the very near future.
More than what we've had in 2020.
Yeah, we've picked out a few that you guys recommended, some that I just wanted to get because I thought they looked fun, and we've already placed the order, so now
2021, you should see
some more.
Like, I think we only had so far this year like maybe 6 drones, and that includes drones under like $100. Less than 10 drones on our channel.
Yeah, we know that a lot of people who watch our videos came here because of drones,
Yeah.
and they've transitioned into other parts of the hobby. But a ton of people, very few people said no more drones. A ton of people really said yes, more drones. So we're gonna do at least a few more for you guys, and we'll wrap this video up one more time. Thank the big guy upstairs. Thank all of our Patreon supporters. You guys really, truly mean the world to us. We're extremely grateful for you. And I know a lot of you guys have tight budgets and you just watch and you like the videos. That means the world to us too. We'll have this linked in the description box below and another fun video of something RC popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!